Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome to a new day. Welcome to a new vlog. Today is Monday, May the 16th, and this is the day that the Lord has made, so let us rejoice and be glad in it. I am so thankful to be alive and well and in the land of living. I've been up for a while, just having my devotions and so on and so forth, and with my mom. I'm home today because I gotta take my mom to the doctor's office today, so we're preparing for that. I have some things to share, but when the time is right, I will share that. I'm just ready to enjoy this day. I've already, given the day over to the Lord, and I'm just ready to enjoy the day with my mom. Well, yesterday we had a really strange rain. Like, the rain fell, but if it was so windy, it was just really scary for a good 10-15 minutes. And now today it's really chilly. I like the warm weather. I just wanted to say hello. I will talk to you guys once I am ready. I'm gonna see y'all in a minute. I hope that you had a wonderful night's rest and you're having a great day or a great evening so far. Hey guys, mommy and I are here. Hello. We're at the doctor's office. She's about to see them, and yeah, they're gonna take good care of her. I'm about to fill out her stuff and then wait for the doctor to come. How you feeling today?
Good. Fine.
Well, YouTube family, mommy and I just got done with her stuff, and mommy is, as you can see, mommy is a trooper. This lady is more braver than me, because needles and me don't mix, Mommy, look, say hi.
Hello, darlings.
She's tired, so we're gonna just run just a few errands. I gotta run, and then we're gonna go home so mom could get some rest, and I gotta wash. But it's such a beautiful day. The sun was out, God is good all the time, and all the time God is good. Blessed good morning to each and every one of you. Thank you for clicking onto this video. Today is Tuesday, May the 17th, 2022, and this is the day that the Lord has made, so let us rejoice and be glad in it. I hope that the Lord will use me to do something great for his glory and for someone to be uplifted in the content that I will produce. Well, my life is changed. I am currently out of work for now. Well, I am currently out of work. I have to tend to my mom. She is not doing well right now. Well, she's doing well. No, she's doing well, but she's not where she used to be, so we're working towards getting that back. So I decided to step away from work for the time so that we can work together to get her back to where she is. So on today's agenda, I have a couple of things to do. I have to make breakfast for us. I have to go do laundry, just clean up around here. It's not a lot to do, but I have to cook. I have to get myself together. I haven't really been taking care of myself, so I need to stop and get myself together. So it's somewhat of a packed day, so I just wanted to bring you guys along. I hope that you will enjoy the video again, like I said, and yeah, and if you want more videos like this, let me know. Here is my list. I don't know if I might add to it as the day goes by, but so far I have devotion. We already did our devotion. I already washed my face and brushed my teeth. Now I'm about to make breakfast. Then after breakfast, I'm gonna go do laundry. Our laundry room is downstairs. Then whilst I'm doing the laundry, I intend on cleaning up. Then after I'm done doing the laundry, I'm gonna take a shower, run to the grocery store, get some things. Well, not very much things, but when I come back, I'll cook for us. Then maybe I'll braid my hair today, I'm not sure, or I'll go to the hair store and get it. Well, not the hair shop, but maybe not today. I don't know. This is definitely a maybe. And then I have videos to edit, and I have some things to work on, and then just get some rest. That is the agenda for today. Father God, I commit all of my plans and ways into your hands. I know your word says it is for man to plan but forgot to bring it to pass. So the time is now 8:41, so it's minutes to 9, and I'm gonna go make some breakfast for my mom and I, and then I am going to go do our laundry. It is so cold. It is so cold right now. Rain fell yesterday. I think they said that we were supposed to have some type of tornado or something, but the rain fell so much and the place is really chilly. I am freezing, but once I get up and go about and get my blood flowing, my body's gonna warm up. So I hope that you will enjoy this content, and yeah, and I will be sharing some things with you guys. Like, my life has definitely changed, and I'm not going to complain because I asked God for the change and he's answered my prayers. He's not going to lead me in a direction where he is not there. So we just finished having breakfast. It was a little late because I had stopped to take a phone call, and anyway, breakfast was good. Had a good time with my mom. So now I'm about to just go wash up the dishes, and then I'm going to go take the clothes, which is right over there. It's a lot of clothes, to downstairs to the laundry room, throw it into the wash, and then I'm gonna come back upstairs and just clean up around the place, sweep out, wipe down, make up the beds. And actually I can't, well, could make up mommy's bed. I can't make up my bed because my sheet's gonna be in the wash. So yeah, breakfast was really good. It was really, really good. Anyway, time to go wash these dishes. Ooh. I forgot the card upstairs, so just got it. So we're gonna go put some money on the card and then get the washing started. So let's try this again. Alright, so we're gonna see how much money is on this card. What? What you mean? Okay. So $5 is on the card. $10. Come on. $20.25. All right, so I'm using extra and using these Tide Pods. These things be making your clothes smell so nice. And this right here, Swivel, the softener, and then of course some bleach for the whites. Set timer for 30 minutes. Cool, 30 minutes. I want to give a major shout out to stay-at-home moms. God bless you guys, honestly. The time is now 4:20. And I'm still not done washing. I'm done cleaning. I haven't cooked yet. I haven't showered yet. I had to re-dry the clothes because when I went downstairs to get it, it was still wet. So I have to go back downstairs to get the rest of the clothes. Some of them I brought up. Then I had to help my mom, make sure that everything is good with her. And I just took something out to cook for us on this 4:20. I can't even go to the grocery store anymore. I'm definitely not going to be braiding my hair, and well, I will be editing videos. You guys won't see this video probably Friday, so when you're watching this it will more than likely be Friday. God's for life. But shout out to all the stay-at-home moms that got it down pat, that because this is, I mean, it's really rewarding though. I'm enjoying taking care of, you know, us. But where's the time? Where did the time go? Where did the time go? Anyway, let me stop wasting time. I'm about to go downstairs to get the rest of the clothes and then come back up and shower and cook and sit down to edit videos and relax for the rest of the day. I just wanted to check in and let you know what's going on. But everything is pretty much cleaned you know, kitchen is looking good. I cleaned the bathroom, I cleaned up. The living room is clean, bathroom is cleaned. Well, I'm not going to show you my mom's room, but my mom's room is clean, my room is clean. So all that part is done. So yeah, I've accomplished that. So let me mark that off. So this is done. We're in progress. This is going to be an X. It's going to be an X. It is literally 5:59. Wait, come on. Show. 5:59 p.m. and I still haven't cooked anything for us. So I just finished showering. Let me tell y'all something. You see that washer downstairs? I had to dry the clothes over again because when I went downstairs the first time, it didn't dry it at all. The stuff was soaking wet, so I put more money in there, and when I went downstairs an hour later, the clothes wasn't fully dry. So the blanket that I washed, it's not fully dry, so I have it hanging over here. I'm so annoyed by that because I mean I put the extra money in there for it to dry the clothes, and it didn't do that. Anyway, I'm glad that the laundry is done. So now, and I just finished taking a shower, I gotta go mark that off, and now I'm about to just go cook dinner for us, which is lunch and dinner combined. I'm just gonna cook some okra, and I had some sausage in there. Just gonna fry that up with some rice, and that's gonna be our dinner for today. Grocery is going to be tomorrow. I'm gonna take this call, y'all. That was a phone call I was not expecting, so that's why I was so shocked. But anyway, I am about to go make dinner for us. It is 6:05 and I gotta go get dinner going, and because I still gotta start editing my video. Alright guys, just finished making dinner, or dinner as I should say, lunch and dinner. Made the okra as you saw. Okra my favorite, and I like it a little burnt. And that's mom's. Mommy, how it tastes? Huh?
Very good.
And then she's drinking this green juice from Trader Joe's. Water. Whew. So we are at the end, practically at the end of the day. It's about to be 8:30, and I am feeling so accomplished. I know I didn't get to all of the tasks that I set out to complete today, but I completed most of them.